What is going on, everyone? Today we're talking about a few projects, okay, Immutable X being one of them. Before I get in, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. Do this so I can hang out with you guys, hopefully make a little bit of money, but have fun doing it. So let's get straight in. First one, guys, is Immutable X. Now, it's a layer 2 solution, which means it's built on top of the Ethereum, and in general, they deal with the shortcomings and problems that Ethereum actually presents. Now, it's incredible, all right? We've got NFTs minted this year, 52,288,000 and counting. All right, trades this year, as you can see, 8 million plus. Energy saved with the kilowatts, insane. It's 100% carbon neutral, and that's the reason the price is sitting nicely at 0.5, okay? So it's under $1 still, ready to go, and I feel like this could seriously pump in the future to come. On their Twitter, they've got 275.8 thousand followers. It's at Immutable, IMMUTABLE. Give them a massive follow. They got loads of interaction, as you can see. They've got some cool trailers of the games coming on Immutable X and things like that. It's incredible. Give them a follow. Let them know you're from this channel. Next, guys, the Sonic DEX has actually launched in a new era of DeFi with zero gas fees on the internet computer. Okay, it's a new decentralized exchange, an automated maker with 1 second transaction finality and no gas fees. There's zero gas fees when minting and trading NFTs scalability through the ZK rollups. Zero knowledge with up to 9,000 TPS, and they've already minted over 33 million NFTs this year. All right, this is why this article on medium.com is getting extremely popular. Okay, zero gas fees is insane, guys. All right, I wanted to bring this straight to you on other news so you could see it. All right, it's powered by with Sonic, and the new launch of it is actually incredible. Okay, it's the AMM running on the internet blockchain. Users can now use permissionless token swaps and liquidity servers over the protocol. That's what we've been waiting for, guys. 1 second transactions. It's insane with the DeFi rebranded and joined with the Web3 product studio Psychedelic. That's where this came from. Now, I wanted to bring your attention to the Oasis Foundation if you don't know already. Okay, it's a network. It's a pioneer in privacy-enabled blockchain because they focus on DeFi and data economy. Oasis claims that this is more efficient than sharding and parachains near and soon Ethereum. All right, get involved, get in their Telegram, get in their Reddit, start building now, apply for the grant ambassador, run a node. Okay, if you want to meet the network, they've got private and scalable DeFi, tokenizing data, parallel smart contract layers. I really love this project. All right, I think it's one of the greatest projects that we've had for the benefit of the blockchain in a long, long time. Okay, scalable, reliable, versatile, parallel workloads, as you can see, the efficient design, confidential smart contracts. That's what you want. You want everything to be secured when you are signing up to these. Let's have a quick look at their Twitter. They've got 238,000 followers plus. They're getting some crazy retweets and likes. Okay, and you can see a few of the biggest partnerships. They partner with Equifax, all right, the first of its kind KY solution, things like that. I want you to give them a massive follow at Oasis Protocol and say you're from this channel and you're ready to get involved with the community. That's it from me, guys. Thank you so much for listening in. I hope you had a great day. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you on the next video.